The soil and the dust are trailing behind my boots. Blown by the wind, showed me a piece of my past. The soil and the dust is where we go.
Hey, I'm Hayden from 5tapped. Tonight we've got a special night plan with tap takeover from Sawmill Brewery. Cammy will be here talking about the beers. We've got food matches to go with the beers. Sander's cooking. He's a bit of a top chef, so he'll be doing a few little snack size dishes to match the beer.
Just the same. What makes us different is just a bullet away. No pride but shame. No pride can bring it forth from the graveyard. May the souls rest in peace up above. Some say we'll follow.
And today they got a takeover of all the taps from Sawmill up at Leigh, up north. So they have 5 different beers from the Sawmill Brewery. And we just made a few little nibbles to go with the beer today and some little snacks. So we got some chorizo and manchego croquettes with saffron aioli and some Asian pulled pork sliders with slaw. And the other one, let me think, oh yeah, some pork and beef meatballs with cauliflower, labneh and dakka. And it's just a bit of fun, bit of grease to be honest, you know, a bit of pork. We love pork and beer and just having a good time tonight.
No pride.